Imagine this. In just a few minutes, you can create a professional video that looks like it was made by a top-tier studio. No expensive equipment, no complex software, no prior skills needed. Sounds too good to be true? Let me introduce you to Pictory AI, the ultimate tool for effortless video creation. Stay tuned. This could change how you create content forever. Welcome to this in-depth tutorial, where I'll show you why Pictory AI is the go-to tool for content creators, entrepreneurs, and marketers alike. Whether you're crafting videos for social media, YouTube, or your business, this tool is designed to save time, simplify the process, and deliver stunning results. By the end of this video, you'll see how easy it is to transform ideas into impactful videos. No stress, no hassle. Let's dive in. Creating high-quality videos has always been a challenge. Think about it. You've got hours of editing, trying to match visuals to your script, finding the perfect soundtrack, and making sure everything aligns. If you're like me, you've probably felt overwhelmed by traditional video editing tools. They're either too complicated, too expensive, or both. This can hold back small businesses, marketers, or even YouTubers from reaching their potential. But what if you could skip all of that? What if there was a tool that let you focus on your creativity while taking care of the technical details? That's where Pictory AI comes in. Pictory AI is a complete game changer. Here's what makes it stand out. Upload your script or even paste an article, and Pictory transforms it into a fully fledged video, complete with visuals, transitions, and music. If you're a blogger, turn your posts into engaging videos to boost your reach. For social media, create dynamic shareable content in minutes. With Pictory, you get access to a vast library of royalty-free visuals, music, and animations. No need to search for stock footage or licenses, it's all built in. Imagine this. You select a theme and the AI curates the perfect clips for your content. Want to add your branding, change transitions, or tweak the music? Pictory gives you full control to make the video uniquely yours. You don't need to be a designer or an editor. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone. Now let's talk about the real magic, the AI itself. Pictory doesn't just generate a video, it analyzes your content, understands the tone, and selects visuals that match your message perfectly. A process that could take hours now takes minutes. Designed for beginners, but powerful enough for pros. No need for expensive hardware or software. In today's fast-paced world, video content is king. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok thrive on engaging videos. With Pictory, you're equipped to stay ahead of the curve. And the best part? You can try it for yourself. No commitment, no strings attached. The link is in the description below. Let's look at who can benefit the most from Pictory AI. Content creators. Whether you're a YouTuber or a podcaster, turning your ideas into videos has never been easier. Marketers. Boost your campaigns with high-quality visuals that captivate your audience. Small business owners. Showcase your products or services professionally without breaking the bank. Educators. Create engaging lessons or tutorials with minimal effort. Imagine using Pictory to create a YouTube series, Instagram Reels, or even promotional videos for your brand. The possibilities are endless. So, we've covered a lot, from the challenges of traditional video editing to the revolutionary features of Pictory AI. This tool not only saves you time, but also helps you create professional videos that truly stand out. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Pictory AI is the perfect partner for your video creation journey. Now it's your turn! Have you tried Pictory AI or any other video creation tools? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your videos to the next level, click the link in the description to try Pictory AI for free today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip to improve your content creation game.